Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you all hit that subscribe button. It's red and white and it doesn't bite and it's below. Okay, thank you very much for doing that, supporting the channel. Today we're going to open a file. I've got a file called a.txt on my desktop and we're going to open it using standard import. So first of all, I'm going to create a subroutine called open file, and I'm going to print here, enter full path. So we're going to be entering the full path to the file. Okay, then we're going to create my scalar file is equal to standard import. Okay, and then we're going to chomp it. Scalar file. And then we're going to open it. So that's going to be open. I'm going to use file handler here. And then we're going to use this. This will read it for us. If we do it the opposite way around, that's going to be right. So we're going to do it like that because we want to read it. That's going to be scalar file or die. So we're just going to put a little error handler here. I'm just going to type error and then just put scalar file, something like that. Okay, so we're going to use while, and this is going to be I'm going to call it line here. My line is equal to file handler. Oops, that's wrong. I've done that. Okay, we're going to read through each line of the file. Let's just neaten that up a little bit, and then we're going to print the lines. Add a new line. And then of course the last thing to do is to close the file once we've finished with it. So line, sorry, not line, what am I doing? File handler. Okay, and let's just call it, shall we? So call it with open, oops, not in capital letters, open file. Okay, we'll just save that and we'll call it. Okay, so I'm going to enter the full path. So the full path to my file is going to be c:users mark desktop, and the file is a.txt, I hope. And there we go. Hello from file A. So there you go, we've just opened it using standard import. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and remember, before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.